Hi guys, and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. I'm sorry the sound is very echoey. I am in the pyramid room here at the King Spot in Niles, next to Chicago. I'm just gonna take you along today. I've been in the spa. We've been already here for 4 hours about. I'm just here with my sisters. It's our little spa day, and I wanted to take you along and just show you a little bit. I mean, I can't always record because there's other people and I have to be quiet. But I will do my best and try to get some pictures for you and some video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This is the Bulgama room, and it has amethyst stones all over it, and it's such a soft and warm room. The way it's heated is these bricks are heated in this oven, and then they come out as you see them right now, and when the heat comes out of the bricks, it heats the room, and when the bricks cool off, they go back in the oven and the process repeats. It is so cool, and the heat is so gentle. It is so nice to come and actually either stretch in this room, or I sometimes even nap. This room is my favorite, and it gets so hot I could not even take my camera in, but the heat is so good, and it's better than any sauna I've ever been to. After I heat up in the fire sudatorium, I love jumping in this cool room, and it's supposed to tighten your pores, and it's supposed to be really good for your blood flow. This is the charcoal room. It was nice and warm, and they said that charcoal is one of the most powerful detoxifying agents that neutralizes hazardous substance. It's just nice to come in there and just relax and stretch in this room. yellow soil that you see on the walls was actually brought over from Korea. This is the base rec room. It's $5 more to enter, which is not bad at all since there's only a handful of these rooms in the world. Now, the main attraction of this room is a mineral stone that's important from Japan called Soraka, and it is said that it has some amazing healing abilities. I don't know. For me, I love just laying there, and the heat from the rock, the heat from the room, it's really, really amazing.